Hello, Team 15. My name is Saitiprak Kodur and my project partner's name is Shruti Soumya. This is our Sherlock Khan's application. As you can see, this is the sign in page. And if the user wants to sign up, this is the sign up page. I want to start with sign in. Uh, let's give some user details. And if the user wants to check his booking history, he can click on this and he can check the latest 3 bookings. Or if you want to book a cab, he can just go and do it over here. I want to tell our first use case, which is quickly procedure. If the right time is less than 2 hours from the current time. As you know, the time is 3:09 p.m. Let's say selected time like 3:09, let's say 16, and the pickup address is this, and the dropping address is this. And if the customer doesn't have any preferred driver, he can just say any. Here I made use of the Google geocoded application, which gives me latitude and longitude immediately. Let's say, but the customer can choose vehicle type, whatever vehicle type he wants. Let's say he wants vehicle type of hatchback. As you can see, the nearby drivers have been provided to the customer. The customer can choose any of them. Let's say we chose Joseph. On clicking submit, the driver will be provided to the customer. And if the customer wants to check the fare, he can click on this and he can see the fare is going to be $26. He can sign out or he can go and cancel the booking. So the whole process here works like we have implemented 2 triggers. These 2 triggers will internally call the procedures. The procedures will implement Haver-Sign formula to give back the 4 list of drivers based on the conditions we have specified. As you can see in the request table, Joseph has been 126. Joseph has, you can see, right? So if the customer clicks on cancel booking, you can see that 126 request ID has been deleted. At the same time, the table tuples and the trip table and payment table will also be deleted. So the customer can just go back and sign out. Now I want to explain another case, which is what if the customer ride is more than 2 hours from the current time, like let's say it's at 6 o'clock, and this is the pickup address, everything will be the same. As you can see, the highest rating drivers will be provided to the customer. Let's say you choose Charles, and as you can see, the driver will be provided to the customer, and he can check the fare. If you want, he can sign out and go back and cancel the booking. Now I want to tell you about the unique feature in our application, which is choosing a preferred driver. The customer, if taken a ride with some other driver, and if he likes his if whatever if he likes his service, he can ask for the driver again by selecting the driver ID from driver first name from over here. Let's say if you want James, the driver James is available, so the customer can just go and check the fare. You can check the fare is 11.25. If he wants, you can sign out, go back and cancel, or you can sign out. What if the preferred driver is not available? Then let's say we'll go the same time and the same pickup and drop locations. Say Donald. As you can see, the Donald driver is not available, so the customer has to choose among these 4 drivers which has already been written by our application. So let's say choose Charles. That driver will be provided to the customer. You can go back and just check the fare, which is the same, and if you want to sign out, or you can go back and cancel the booking. Now let's go and check the driver. Let's say we have driver named Charles and he wants to check his trip history. You can just click on his and you can see his last 3 trips, or the trips which he's going to serve, or trips we have served. If you want, you can change the status to on duty to off duty, and the status will be updated successfully, and he can just sign out or go back and check his history. And if he wants, as you can see, the driver table, Charles is off duty, and you can see he is on duty now. So this is our application where every use case is implemented successfully, and it works fine. Thank you so much.